Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Circle to search on any phone. First, ensure your device runs a recent Android version, typically Android 14 or newer, and has the latest Google app updates. This powerful tool lets you search anything on your screen with a simple gesture, saving you time and effort. It's a game changer for quick information retrieval, making your phone even smarter. To activate Circle to search, begin by opening your phone's main settings app. Next, search for Digital Assistant app or Default Digital Assistant within the settings menu. Once found, tap on it and ensure that Google is selected as your primary digital assistant. Finally, look for and enable the Circle to search toggle. This simple setup takes less than 1 minute. Using Circle to search is incredibly intuitive. When you see something on your screen you want to know more about, simply press and hold your phone's home button or the navigation bar. A Google search overlay will then appear. You can then circle, highlight, or even scribble on any image or text to instantly perform a search without ever leaving your current application. It's that easy to get information. For the best experience, always keep your Google app updated to its latest version through the Play Store. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and improvements. Circle to Search is a fantastic tool for enhancing your daily productivity, whether you're shopping, researching, or just curious. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.